Hola. Mm, well, welcome to Fan for Spanish Materials. In this video, we're going to learn how to say in the morning, in the afternoon, and in the evening. So, first, in the morning is going to be por la mañana. Some people sometimes say en la mañana. It's also correct, um, but it's better to say por la mañana. Um, por la tarde means in the afternoon. Yeah. And por la noche means in the evening. Now, remember that these concepts of morning, afternoon, and evening are different. Remember that evening um, in English could be in the night, but also it could be like 6 p.m. and still daytime. That doesn't happen. In Spanish, night means night, darkness. So once it gets dark, it means it's noche. And from that point on, we're going to say por la noche. Yeah. Until you go to sleep. Por la tarde in Spanish means after midday, 12, until it gets dark, no matter what the time is. If it's summer or winter, the time is going to be different. So la tarde is going to be from midday till it gets dark. Por la mañana, it means uh, till 12, till midday. So since you wake up till midday, this is por la mañana. Yeah. So you have to be very aware of the difference here. We don't have the evening concept. This is weird for us. We have either night, afternoon, and morning. That's it. Uh, now, sometimes we want to say midday, right? Al mediodía, at midday. And it's also here with the at midday, al mediodía, a la medianoche, at midnight, yeah, al amanecer, this is the sunrise, and al atardecer, this is the sunset. So with these, like right, reference points, you can talk about any time of the day. That's pretty much it. These ones here work pretty well for appointments at midday, at midnight, you know, even though it's not very precise, right? Because you should better say the time. But yeah, it's mid. I mean, midday is midday. It's pretty much 12. It's noon. Midnight is midnight when it's 12 a.m. Al amanecer is a period of time. Maybe it takes half an hour. Also, atardecer, which is the sunset. Maybe it takes also half an hour, 1 hour. I don't know. Um, but yeah, the ones that we use the most are por la mañana, por la tarde, por la noche. We use them to talk about our routines, what we do in the morning, what we do in the afternoon, or in the evening. So yeah, how do you practice this? Easy. Just talk about your routine. Talk about the things you do in the morning, things you do in the afternoon, things you do in the evening. Yeah. Um, and that's it. That's pretty much it. Ask others what they do. What like ask people like, ¿Qué vas a hacer mañana? What are you doing tomorrow? What are you gonna do tomorrow? And maybe they say, yeah, por la mañana I'm gonna do this, por la tarde I'm gonna do that, and por la noche I'm gonna do this. Yeah. So yeah, that's how you practice this. Thanks for watching. I hope you like this video and see you in the next one. Hasta luego. Bye bye.